Hi, Claudia here with my journal tag, and today we're gonna make this one. It looks like an envelope and it can be used as a pocket too. So let's fold this one, put it here, and get a paper. This one is good. Remember, when we make tags and pockets and stuff, but we are just preparing, we don't have the journal yet. You don't want to get paper that is too busy because it's going to be hard to match with a journal. Instead, what we want to do is to get a plain one. So this is part of my plain paper. It's not that plain, but it's not that busy. Now, this trimmer drive me crazy. Okay, so now we know this is 12 by 4, no, 12 by 5. This one is going to be 4 and 4, 8. Okay, so let's mark a 4. And we're gonna have 4 and 1/4, just to give the space when you fold. And we can do an extra one just in case we decide to put something very thick inside. Okay, now we fold the first one, trying to get it. Okay, we're gonna fold the second one, trying to get it straight. And the third one, there is not too much different, but if you put a lot of stuff in that pocket inside, you really want to have some room to hold it. Okay, so as you can see, it's very, very little. Now we can leave it like this, or we can cut it like this one. So I want to have the pointing here, but I think instead to the pointing, what I'm going to do is just to give a corner. And I think I have this big corner here. Well, it's not that big, but it's big enough. So we're gonna have it like this. And I'm not sure if I want to do anything here. I don't think so. So let's do, you see, like I said, I always use all the papers. I'm gonna cut this. Okay, let's see. what I'm going to do is, number one, open my glue. I'm sorry, I really don't know why, but there is nothing that I can do. It drives me crazy, but that's okay. Try to go straight. Claudia cannot do it, but I bet you can do it. I mean, it's not a big deal, but if you go straight, obviously you keep more space for your tags. If you go crooked like me, you're gonna need more smaller tags. Okay, so here we have this one, and should we put another one here? Why not? We have enough space there. So let's see. I mean, we can put even one on the long side. What do you think? And you will have one here, one here. Yeah, why not? Let me get to the second one here and to the fold here. And remember, when these are for journals, you don't want to have too much bulk, because as you're gonna see in my next journal, I always try my best, but I like to add stuff, and my journal are always bulky. So look at that. We have 1 and 2, and we can put maybe one of these to close it. I don't know. Do I really want to close like that? No, I'm gonna put something heavy here. And when I mean heavy, maybe it's a flower. There are some here that I think they are thick. Let me see. Oh, this one is cute. Can I use this one, or is too long? It's too long. Okay. So no, not this one. I thought I have some of them that are heavy, you know. Let's see. Maybe this one. And we need a sentiment. And we can use, what is this? Memories. What do you think? Okay, so let's do this. see, I usually have one page that I use for, I usually have a book page that I use for this, but now I don't know what it is and I'm not gonna look for. And anyway, when you use this one, it's going to be the other side, so nothing is gonna happen. And here, obviously here I need a little bit more glue. Okay. And this one here, this is garbage. And maybe I can put a little piece of this like this. I should go all the way. Yeah, I should go all the way. So, you know, I try to use my laces. I don't know if I should use this one, maybe. No, you cannot see it. This one. Okay. Oops, I have to pull it up a little bit. I'm gonna put this one only halfway up. I should put memories here. And let me see, we should be able to have a couple pieces. We have to hold it a little bit. So let's see. This one can go here. And this one can go here. And just put it only to show you. But obviously it has to be another color. And you can cover this if you want it. I just want to make a project that is easy and short, so you have a break from me, from all my long videos. But ladies and gentlemen, this is crafting, and if you craft, you know that you cannot make a project in 15 minutes or 20 minutes. It has to be a piece. And let's get some color extra. Okay, this is it. It's finished. Here and here. And if you glue it 3 ways, 1, 2, and 3, you will have a third pocket here. So let's call this, let me see if I put a name here. It says little pocket. Yes, it is a little pocket. So I hope you like it. I hope you make it. If you make it, share with me. Don't forget to leave a comment. And if you like what I do here and you haven't subscribed, please consider doing it. And if you are one of my followers, thank you very much. You make me feel so good and so happy to make all my craft, even though sometimes I'm very, very tired. So thank you, be good, and see you soon. Bye-bye.